government? No, I have no land that was given to me. But like any other person, I applied, I don't know how many years ago. I have every right to be to get land. I applied for land like anyone, like a citizen of Zimbabwe. And I believe that any Zimbabwean citizen is a right. You can apply for land. I'm sure you love your members there in near Philabusi there. You should actually get a farm if you don't have one. There's nothing wrong with Zimbabwe. So all I'm saying is, if my application is going to be successful, it has been on the waiting list for many years. If I get the land, why not? But look, it's my heritage. I'm a Zimbabwean by birth for that matter. So why shouldn't I get land if I apply for it? If the land is there and I qualify, I have all the right credentials to be granted a piece of land or to be offered a piece of land under the land reform program. I'll accept it. I'll accept it. Why not? I've made an application. I did it years ago, actually, and I'm still waiting to be allocated land.
Now, there are some people who are saying that maybe Mr. Gutu is going to be appointed Justice Minister or something like that, or Attorney General. You know, that's why he's defecting. Can you comment on that?
I have said I'm not position oriented. Gibbs, I've known you for many years. Huh?
Yes.
Remember, I even came there to the Voice of America. You took me on a tour of the Voice of America premises in Washington, D.C. I think you know me fairly well. I mean, I don't sell my soul for a few pieces of silver or even for huge pieces of silver. Whatever I do is what I believe in. What you see with Obert Gutu is what you get. So I'm not the appointing authority. I haven't applied for any job. I'm here in my office, as you can see. It's a Friday. That's why I don't have a tie. Fridays here we dress down, you know. So I don't put on a tie on a Friday when I'm at the office. Unless maybe if I have a meeting, I have to go to court or something. So that's why I'm dressed like this in my office in Harare. So for anyone then to say, I'm going to be given this job or that job. Look, I'm not the appointing authority. I don't have any position in ZANU-PF. I'm just an ordinary member. Just the lowest position in the party. Just an ordinary member. So, I mean, if people just want to fantasize and speculate, I mean, who am I to stop them from speculating?
So now, what difference is it going to make for you to move from MDC-T to ZANU-PF? Exactly, Mr. Gutu. Let's get it right here. Yeah. So, are there any benefits in ZANU-PF? What are you going to get there?
Gibbs, let me seek clarity from you. When you say, yes, are there any benefits? So, I mean, what do you mean? What benefits?
Financial benefits, and because people are saying that Zimbabwean politicians are all about money. Like what this listener is saying. Says it's all about money, Mr. Gutu. You are aiming at getting a bit of money here and there in terms of maybe tenders, you know, all those kind of things. You know,
but people have to be real, Gibbs. What tenders? I run a law firm here, and you know what happens if you are going to get clients. Normally, it's because of the reputation of your practice, of your law firm. I've been running this practice for 30 years now, and I mean, if you get clients, be they individual clients or corporate clients, really, I don't think there's any serious client who would like to put their money with their money to give to a law firm or a lawyer who is not up to scratch. People obviously do a due diligence exercise. If they think my law firm is good enough to do the work, I'm sure they will retain our services. I mean, there's no way that I can just go and force people to say, come to me and give me work. I have to be prove myself. We have to prove ourselves here as a form of attorneys to say, yes, we have the capacity to deliver, to handle that brief and to deliver it to our client, deliver the brief to our client or handle the brief to our client satisfaction. So anyone who says, I'm going to get it because I want to get money, I don't know. It doesn't give people money. Do they go around giving people money? I don't know. If they do that, then I'll be surprised. I mean, I haven't come across that. I don't know. I know many ZANU-PF supporters who don't have money. So if ZANU-PF was in the business of dishing out money, I'm sure all their supporters would be rich people by now.